So my dudes, this is just going to be an unboxing video. It's not really going to teach you any sort of spells or anything. So if that's not what you're into, then just skip this video. But for those of you that are interested, I got a package and it's very heavy. One of you was very generous and very nice to me and got me a package full of different herbs, and I believe they said they also got me some crystals. Don't know if everything is in this, but yeah, thank you to that person. I really appreciate it. Most of this I don't even know what it is, so if I don't know what it is, I'll learn about it, and if I do, then I just have more of it. But yeah, anything that I don't know about or anything that is like new to me, I will make a video about that. And if y'all want to know specifically about anything that I've gotten, or just anything specific about what I have gotten, like anything specific about a specific item, then I'll do a video about that. But yeah, I don't know where my knife is. Also, sorry if you can hear the AC. Well, it's a portable AC, and it's also a fan because it's like 90 something degrees and it's nighttime. It's like folded over on the side. Yeah. Okay. So I'll put this to the side. Also, yes, I am wearing my glasses today. I usually don't because I don't like to look at myself and also the glare, but I need to be able to read the things, and I'm not going to do, well, it's not that, but yeah. So the first one is marshmallow root. I know this is good for like inner stuff, like inner, like your core and shit like that. But I've never actually used this before. I wonder what this tastes like actually. I'm pretty sure most of these you can make into tea. That's where you buy it from. But this is an 8-ounce thing, so pretty big. It's not a resealable bag. No, it's not a resealable bag, which is a thing. So I'm just going to have to figure out a container to put this in before I actually open it, so I don't open it one time and then it spills out. But yeah, it's one thing. Nutritional yeast. Okay. That's not really a spell thing. That's more of a health thing, but thank you. Valerian Root. No idea what this is. There's 16 ounces of it, so I have a lot of something, but no idea what this is. I think this is also Frontier Co. So, this is not sponsored, by the way. This is sponsored by the person that gifted this to me, technically. But this is not sponsored by anything. If I end up liking these things, I will link them down below to like an Amazon link. But I'm not sponsored by this, or this company. But it seems like most of this is coming from, see right there, Frontier Co-op. Apparently they have multiple different herbs, because all 3 of these so far came from the same place. And this one too. This one's even bigger, kind of dirty. I don't know what that is. It doesn't really smell like cancer, hopefully. But this is red raspberry. I love this. If you don't know, red raspberry leaf is good for like any sort of pain, especially if you have like menstrual pain, or if you have just like any sort of like body pain, like aching pain, like mostly in like your stomach and like lower pelvis area. But this is very good, and I very much appreciate it. This is 16 ounces. Again, none of these are reusable containers, so I'll need to figure out a container to hold all of these, but I very much appreciate it. Here we go. And the next thing is lemon balm. I don't think this is for smells. I think this is just for me to drink. But thank you. It's a lemon balm tea. Looks like it's just 100% lemon balm. So I guess this is just some tea, not really for spells or anything. But I appreciate it. I don't know if I'll use those for spells, but maybe I will. If you would like to know different spells about lemon balm, let me know. And the last thing, lotus leaves. This is a very basic type packaging. It's not from the same company as these other things. It's just a loose leaf tea. So 2 things of tea, and the rest can use for spells and things. Okay, that's it. Just some packaging material in there. I don't know why you do packaging for this. But yeah, that's everything that I got today. I want to say thank you for the person that got this for me. I really appreciate it. There weren't any crystals in here, so maybe those are in another box or something, or maybe it's not here yet. I don't really know. But thank you for the herbs that you got me so far. I really appreciate it. I don't even know who you are. I just got a notification of it. But I just want to say thank you, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to be doing different videos on each of these, so if you like to know the videos, then it's either going to be in the description, or just go to my channel if for some reason I forgot to put it in this video. Also, because this person did sponsor me in a way, if you would like to sponsor a video too, or maybe you would just like to send me something, I have a link to my Amazon where you can either order things from the store and I get a small commission, or there's also a list in there where you can buy something that I want from Amazon. Either way is cool. Either way supports me. I really appreciate it either way. If you would like to send me something personal that maybe isn't from Amazon, just get in contact with me and we can figure that out. I do travel, so I'm not always in whatever area, but I really appreciate it. And if you want to send me something, then go ahead, and I much appreciate it. That's the end of the video. Have a great day in that life. Enjoy yourself. Be happy.